Hey, what is going on, everyone? I hope you are having a beautiful Thursday. Today, I wanted to create this video to share with you two hidden gem plays that can add so much value to your investment portfolio. Well, let's say first off, if you're new to this channel, please make sure to smash the like and subscribe to the channel All I See Is W for more related content where we talk about investing in stocks and crypto, including self-development. Well, today I wanted to share with you two hot ticker plays, one crypto coin token, as well as one stock play that can add so much value to your investing strategy. First off, I'm not a financial advisor. Please make sure to know that anytime when I provide guidance, please use that information as guidance information and apply it to your investing strategy. Let's get started. Now, the first token I wanted to share with you is Cartesi. CTSI is the ticker name. Now, what is so unique about Cartesi, right? Well, this is a coin that had just recently been active for trading on Coinbase as well as on Binance. Now, what's interesting is the fact that the price is so undervalued. It previously ran all the way up to like $1.75, close to $2 about a week ago. However, now it's at the sub $1. The fact that Elon Musk had tweeted the fact that Tesla will no longer be taking cryptocurrency, that really just brought down most tokens at this current time. However, now when there's blood on Wall Street, this is a time to capitalize on such a low value price with CTSI, because if held long term, I firmly believe that CTSI can bull run all the way up to $10 from my perspective. Now, once the market cap starts rising up to like billion in market cap, then that will just be like a 3x for Cartesi from my perspective. And the volume right now is quite low, and I think this is a great opportunity to either dollar cost average down or take a position with CTSI. It's a great token where it powers the Cartesi network. Its aim is to solve blockchain scalability and high fees using technology called optimistic rollups. CTSI can be used for staking and fees for processing data on the network. And most importantly, Cartesi enables smart contract creation using mainstream programming languages. In fact, I actually played with one of its D apps, decentralized gaming, and it's so fun, and it doesn't have any ping lag for its latency, and it's going to really add value not only in reducing fees but also streamlining and revolutionizing how we look at gaming, because most cases right now when it comes to gaming, everything is all centralized. And what if there's catastrophic events going on in the future? Well, at least with what Cartesi is working on, they're focusing on a billion-dollar sector where it will continually grow, and decentralized gaming will be the future. So from a share price standpoint, this token will catapult all the way up to $2 in the near term. I'm forecasting that in this quarter, and the potential for getting up to $5 to $10 can be Q3 up towards the end of the year. So let's not lose sight of what Cartesi can do for you. Next hidden gem ticker I wanted to share with you is in the stock market, and that is a biotechnology company called Skye Bioscience, ticker SKYE. What I like so much about Skye Bioscience, they are working on a prodrug intended to be used on patients with glaucoma. Glaucoma patients are basically dealing with blindness. Why? Because there's increase in intraocular pressure, and of all the commercial available drugs at this time, there's not too many drugs out there that can safely and effectively do what it's supposed to do and bring down IOP levels. And what Skye has developed is it has bioengineered its product. It's actually patented using cannabinoids, bioengineering that so that it doesn't give you the psychedelic effect of getting high, but only just the clinical benefit where it actually brings down the IOP levels to a level that no other drug can compare, and also demonstrating potential neuroprotection. And that's huge because most glaucoma patients, about a third, have normal IOPs, but they develop glaucoma. Now with neuroprotection, that really can be the preventive action for developing this catastrophic disease of glaucoma, getting blind. Now, from a share price standpoint, I firmly believe that come Q3, Q4, the share price can catapult all the way up to $1 share price range, at least with its THC VHS program. It also has CBD VHS program where the indications for use can branch out to various areas, and I'm forecasting that the news Q4 where we can potentially start hearing where the indications for use can tap into like cancer or perhaps even veterinarian medicine. So that's huge from a long-term perspective, and where the current share price is right now at the 9-10 cents, I firmly believe that it can 10x 100x if held long term. And this is looking very promising because we know that cannabis is going to have a paradigm shift in terms of how we look at healthcare and bridging the gap between healthcare and natural medicine. That's where we're at. It also has an all-star team where it has ophthalmologists from Stanford University, Mount Sinai, as well as scientists from University of Spain and Italy, and it has 50 years of data from an entity that has been granted federal legal license, and that's working with University of Mississippi with cannabis data for 50 years that tells you that this drug is likely going to demonstrate safety and efficacy once it heads into clinical trials, estimated to be in H2 of this year. So second half, Q3, we shall hear phase 1 clinical trials beginning for its prodrug to be used on healthy patients to evaluate safety and tolerability. And until phase 2 begins, that's when the inflection points, and currently institutions, about 8% actually own shares of Skye Bioscience. And I firmly believe that the percentage increase with institutions buying in will only increase in the long run, because we know natural medicines is the name of the game, and with cannabis science, bioengineering, that's going to really reshape how we look at healthcare. So these are the 2 plays I wanted to share with you, and I hope that it adds value. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day, all. Goodbye.